Welcome to Drew Tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use one of Google's newest features called Google Lens, right? Now the first thing you want to ensure before you're able to access this new feature is that you have the latest version of Google Chrome. So you want to open up your Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and then you want to simply go down to where you have help. Now once you click on help, click on about Google Chrome, and it will do a quick check for updates for you, and it will install the latest version of Google Chrome for you. So as you can see, mine is currently updating and it's about 66% here. And once this is done, I'm going to check again. And as you can see here, it relaunches Google Chrome for me and give me the latest version. Now, how do you use this Google Lens? Now, first I'm going to show you where it is. To find it, it's very easy. Click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and here on the print, you have search with Google Lens. Now, how does this work? Now, let's take Amazon for example. What it really does, it helps you to find whatever you're trying to look for. If you come across a picture or a particular statement or particular product, whatever it is that you find interesting, you can use the Google Lens to take like a screenshot, and it will search for that identical on the internet via Google search. So let's use Amazon for example. So I'm going to head over to amazon.com, right? And let's say I want to look for some Nike sneakers, right? And I type in Nike sneakers. Maybe I should put for men as well so that it's give me a better result. And let's say I found a Nike sneakers that I like. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna see if I find something, and let's see what we can find. So have a look at this. So let's say this is a Nike sneakers that I like and I want to get this. Now what I have to do now is just simply click the tree that's on the upper right hand side, then go to search with Google Lens, click continue, and then it's going to open up like a screenshot. So all I have to do is just drag over the search. So I'm going to simply drag over this, and it is going to search for this particular product. So once I do that and let go, Google is going to search for that particular product. It's going to search for it on Instagram. It's going to search for whatever it is. And if I found something that I like, I can always go ahead and pin it. So at the top you have pin, and you can simply pin that, and you can go through and visit each of these to see where they have that particular product, right? Let's take something else for example, right? So I'm going to go ahead and search for something on Google. So let's head over to google.com, right? And let's say I want Windows 11 product key, right? Let's say I want Windows 11 product key, and let's say I want this to be cheap, for example. While you have the products here as well, I can search for that, right? So I can simply go ahead and click the three dots again, right hand side, search with Google Lens, and I can simply do like a hover over this particular product, right? And it's going to search more products. So as you can see, it's going to look for various websites that has the product, and I can easily go ahead and check them out. So this is just a handful of ways how you can easily go ahead and use it. You can use it for statements, you can use it for whatever it is. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and use search with Google Lens on your Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. Very easy and very simple, guys.